Hi, I'm Mrs. Tessing. Today I'm making a video for my first grade students who come and see me for Foundations Level 1. Just a side note, I am just a teacher. I am not trained by the Willson Company, but what I will be showing you today is Mama Echo here. Whenever she leans forward, your child is to echo or repeat exactly what I say. You're going to be hearing the letter, the key word, and the sound. So we will begin. V, van, v. W, wind, w. J, jug, j. P, pan, p. S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, Remember that the salmon colored cards are our vowel cards, and we will only be doing the short vowel sound. O, octopus, ah. N, nut, n. M, man, m. I, itch, I. G, game, g. F, fun, f. D, dog, d. C, cat, k. B, bat, b. Y, yellow, y. X, fox, x. H, hat, h. K, kite, k. L, lamp, l. A, apple, a. R, rat, E, ed, eh. Z, zebra, z. Q, u, queen, qu. Remember, Q and the buddy letter U never go anywhere without each other. The U does not count as a vowel when it is with the letter Q. It just sits there to keep Q company. Q-U, qu, queen. Q-U, queen, qu. Remember, friends, that when you are done with doing it with Mrs. Tessing, you can go through your own rings, and the quicker that you can go through them, the better. All right, have a great day. Thanks.